What's up, guys? I got a scooter unboxing for you guys today. Yeah. It's from Cryptic, I think it's called Cryptic. Yeah, it's my Proto Tdi deck. The first thing I see is the deck. Here's the TDI deck. Proto. Yeah. It's pretty light. It's not heavy. Here is the head tube. It's 83.1, I'm not sure what it is. I'll tell you in a sec. It seems like
a deck to what?
oh, I'm making a video, go away.
What's a deck to?
It's a scooter deck.
What does it look like?
Like this.
There's no cool stuff on it?
No, go away. Alright. Sorry, that was my sister being annoying. That slides in right here. See, yeah, it's an 83. Yeah, it's 83-degree angle. Yeah. Wow, that's really nice. Wow. Let's see what else. Doesn't look like. Oh wait. My flex brake sticker. I don't know if I got any grip. I'm gonna check in a sec. But yeah. See how this brake is. Oh, that looks really nice. Alright. Okay. Let's just doesn't look like there's anything else. No grip. Nope. Doesn't look like there's any grip. Alright, well, thanks for watching. This is alright. Thank you guys for watching. It's my new scooter deck. Hope you like it.